Hello, today I'll show you how to make wind physics in Scratch. As you can see, this is a leaf blower and there are cats. And if I click or press space, as you can see, I can blow the cats away and out of the corners. So let's get started. First, delete the cat and paint a sprite. Name it Blower. Now, use the box tool. Make sure there is no outline and make it a nice gray color. And make it a long rectangle. Then place it in the middle and drag it until it's around there. Now, use the box tool again, this time making the fill a nice red, dark red color, or any other color you want. Then use the reshape tool to make it like a trapezoid size or any shape. Then drag it around here. Lastly, use the line tool. Make the outline a dark gray and make it a good size. Like this. And place it at the back. Now, create a new variable named dir for direction for the sprite only and set it to 0. Then point in direction 90 and add in a forever. This time set dir to dir times 0.8 so that it slowly goes down. And now change dir by key right arrow pressed subtracted by key left arrow pressed times 0.9 or 1 for more speed, or 0.8. Then turn clockwise by dir. Now, after this, for the leaf blower to follow the mouse, and for a smooth movement, add in a divide and subtract, then x position subtracted by mouse x divided by 5. And do the same for y. And after that, now for the wind, if mouse down or key space pressed, then paint a new sprite named wind. Use the line tool, make it a smaller size and make it a really light gray. And make the size around like this. As you can see. Now, in here, when green flag is clicked, hide, and then when I start as a clone, then back in blower, create a clone of wind. And now in wind, when I start as a clone, show, go to blower, point in direction, and then point in direction of blower. Then turn 90 degrees to then move and then pick random around -8 to 8 to have that spread instead of just at that point, and then turn back, and now after that set ghost to 80, then create a new variable called force for this sprite only, and set force to pick random 10 to 20. Then create another new variable called origin or original angle for the sprite only, and set origin angle to direction. Now repeat 25 times. Set force to force times 0.99 for it to really slowly go down in speed. Then move by force, then turn, pick random -1 to 1, then if, actually before that, down here, after it has repeated 25 times, it'll repeat another 10 times by changing ghost by 2, because ghost is already 80, and for 100 it would need 20 more ghost effect. And duplicate this and place it in here. And lastly, delete this clone. Now we need an object to blow. Name this object, then click choose costume and click cat. Now we have a cat. Make the size smaller like this. And now when green flag is clicked, hide, go to back, and repeat 3 or 4 times, how many times you want. Create a clone of myself and go to random position. Now in here, when I start as a clone, show. Then create a new variable also called dir, but also for this sprite only. Set dir to 0, and now forever, make sure that if it touches an edge it will bounce. Then go to back. Now if touching wind, and then back in wind, if touching object, then create 3 new variables called blower angle for all sprites, wind speed for all sprites, and wind angle for all sprites. Now set blower angle to origin angle, set wind's angle to direction, and lastly set wind speed to force divided by 20. Now back in object, actually before an object, also add in a wait 0 seconds, just to give it a bit of second for the object to realize that it has touched wind. And now in wind, change direction or by, and then blower angle, actually wind angle subtracted by blower angle. Then create two new variables named x for this sprite only and y for this sprite only. Then set x to wind speed times the sine of wind angle. Duplicate this and set y to wind speed times cosine of wind angle. Then turn by set to times 0.9, set x to x times 0.9, and set y to y times 0.9. Now, in here, change x by x and change y by y. Make sure that these are at the bottom. Make sure that this is change x and change y, not set x and set y. Now, as you can see, as you blow the cat, it will blow away. Now you have nice wind physics in Scratch. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.